With the BMW Surround View, several cameras capture the area from various selectable perspectives. By default, the automatic camera perspective shows the appropriate camera perspective depending on the particular driving situation. Activate the rear view camera to show the area behind the vehicle. Press the flank view right or left to show the areas to the side of the vehicle. You can also select 3D view, a movable perspective using the iDrive controller, touch, or if equipped with gesture control. With the washing bay view, the camera view is optimized for driving into the car wash. In the center console, a camera button can be found which will activate Panorama View. Also in Panorama View, the image shows crossing traffic, for example at junctions and exits. Panorama View is available at the front or back of the vehicle, depending on which direction the vehicle is going. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.